simplify this expression. 3 over x squared minus 10x plus 25 minus 8 over x minus 5. Now, first step, factorize this as much as possible first. Okay, so we have x squared plus 25 minus 10x. Okay, we can use our quadratic factorization. Okay, so we'll have 3 over x minus 5 squared. Okay, x minus 5, x minus 5, x minus 5 squared minus 8 over x minus 5. So what's lacking in the second fraction is just say x minus 5. Okay, so that the denominator can be made the same. Okay, everything divided by the same denominator now. 3 minus 8x plus 40 over x minus 5 squared. So 43 minus 8x over x minus 5 squared. Final answer for this question.